When your garage door isn't working, it can be very frustrating. In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the most common garage door problems. One of the most common problems is that your garage door won't open or won't close. When that happens, here's what you need to do. The first step is to check and make sure the garage door opener is plugged in. Most garage doors today are powered by an electric garage door opener. Sometimes the power cord to the motor gets unplugged by mistake. Simply follow the cord from the motor to the plug to make sure that it's all plugged in correctly. You may also be able to check the LED lights on your unit that will indicate if there's power. The second step is to test both the remote and keypad to make sure that the battery is working. If it's not, you'll need to replace it. The third step is to see if the lock button has been pressed by mistake. Most garage door openers today come with a lock feature that prevents the door from opening or closing. Hold down the lock button on your remote or keypad and see if you can now open or close the garage door. The fourth step is to check your sensors. Most garage door units today have sensors that prevent the door from closing when someone is standing in the path of the garage door. This is great for safety, but occasionally the sensors do not work properly. The way these sensors work is that a laser shoots from one sensor to the other, and when nothing is blocking the path of the laser, the LED light on each sensor turns on the garage door and it can move freely. When the path is blocked, however, or if the sensors are misaligned, the garage door will not or cannot close. To check your sensors, first locate them at the base of the garage door near the ground. If one or both of the LED lights are off, it likely means the sensors are not working. You should clean the sensors and reset them. Also, recheck the alignment between two sensors. After that, if they're still not working, we recommend calling a professional. The fifth step is going to be to make sure your torsion springs that are holding up the garage door aren't cracked or broken. Please note that torsion springs are extremely dangerous because they are wound so tight. Don't touch the springs, instead simply stand back and see if they appear to be wound. If one of the springs is loose or cracked, then you'll need to call a professional to replace it. The last step is only for those who are experienced with mechanical devices. If that's you, then open up the back of the motor unit and see if you can spot any problems there. Sometimes wires could be displaced and might need to be reconnected, or the capacitor might be fried and need to be replaced. Remember, if you're not able to fix your garage door on your own, you can always book an appointment with Pulse for fast and reliable garage door repair. Our trusted technicians can be at your home as soon as today, and they will have your garage door working perfectly in no time.